In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the Mirage Pendant here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, in order to actually get these, you need to make your way over to the teleporter, interact with it, and teleport to Hollow Island. Once you spawn in, make your way over to this manipulator boss right here. And as you can see, you can actually go ahead and get those Mirage Pendants from this boss. I have about a 100% chance I'm going to go ahead and get it. I wonder if I'll get it right here. But essentially farm this guy until you get yourself some of these Mirage Pendants. And once you have these Mirage Pendants, look for the Manipulator Trainer all the way in the back of the island, the back right side. Talk to this guy, complete his quest. Now, I'm currently doing the Mastery quest right now, so just ignore that. But essentially, complete the quest line from 1 to 5. And once you finish all of those, collect about 10 of those Mirage Pendants, and then go back to that trainer, and you can get yourself the Manipulator Sword. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.